dear students. Let me introduce myself. I'm Marian Cameron. Taking course of BSN. So, this afternoon, I will discuss you about mental health. So, who can read this?
The
Meaning of mental health.
mental health has to do with the way you harmonize your desires, ambitions, abilities, ideals, feelings, and consents in order to meet the demands of daily living.
Okay. Mental health has to do with the way you harmonize your desire, ambitions, abilities, ideals, feelings, conscience in order to meet the demands of daily living. So, sige. Kitang tanan, we have mental health. So, it will help us to realize our goals or to do is to kanang maadyo ba? To do our ambitions, atong mga pangarap, then abilities, ideals, and then atong feelings, kaya atong mga feels, and also conscience in meet the demands of our daily life. So, it is the ability to live effectively in society and to cope successfully with crises. So, in mental health, there are 3 types of behavior. So, what are the 3 behaviors?
3 types of behavior in mental health. 1. You feel comfortable about yourself. 2. You feel right about other people. 3. You are able to meet the demands of life.
So, the 3 types of behavior in mental health. 1. You feel comfortable about yourself. So, it means that you have positive self-image. So, you can feel this statement, the fears, your love, jealous, and also jealous or guilt. So, number 2, you feel right about other people. It means you are able to love and accept. You are able to love and accept the way you are. So, imo i-accept kung unsa ka maadyo, diha. So, number 3, the last is you are able to meet the demands of life. So, it means the way you make decisions. The way you make decisions, plan, and complete tasks to make commitments and other people. So,
Thank you.
any questions?
No.
Okay. So, let me say thank you for all and for cooperation.
You're welcome.